Hi everybody, I will show you how to listen to MP3 music if you're at the gym, anywhere you at, if you're using your headphones. And this is the easiest way to listen to music when you're on the go. So you plug in your headphones, you have some music in your phone. The best app you could use is called VLC. You can even watch movies with this app. It will look like this. So what you need to go to the Play Store. Just type in VLC. Press install, download and install. The app look like this. Just click it here. They have video, audio, and the rest. On audio, you go to songs, playlists, anywhere you like. Then you start listening to your music with the audio. I use this app to listen to music if you're not online on your phone. So I recommend this app for MP3 player. It's for free. It doesn't cost money. So go check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.